Hi there, students. To lead on. To lead somebody on, a phrasal verb. Okay, to lead somebody on is to mislead them, to deceive somebody. So if you lead somebody on, you encourage them to do something, especially by pretending that something is true. To persuade someone to believe something that's untrue and to get them to do something. So he's been leading his girlfriend on. She's been making her think that he's going to marry her, but he just wants to sleep with her. He's been leading her on. A guy came to look at my car, but I'm certain he wasn't interested. He was just trying to find out the price. I'm certain he was leading me on. Okay, so to lead somebody on, to deceive someone, to make them believe something that's not true in order to get them to act in a certain way, to delude them, if you like, to take them in. She was flirting with him and led him on, but she had no intention of being his girlfriend. Okay, so to lead somebody on, to cause them to think that you are the person that you think is wonderful. This is particularly common, this phrasal verb, in a romantic relationship. Yeah, don't lead her on if you're not serious about the relationship. Yeah. He led her on by telling her they could get married in the near future. Okay? Your boss is always giving you promises of huge salary rises and promotions. But most of the time, he's just leading you on. He's getting you to believe this, so you're going to work hard and do what he asks. Yeah? If you work on Saturdays, you'll probably get a promotion very quickly. No, you won't. He's just leading you on. It's not going to make anything happen. So to entice somebody into doing something by misleading them, yeah, particularly by pretending romantic interest. He's being really nice to me and he's leading me on because he wants more information. Yeah, she's just leading you on. She actually has a serious boyfriend at home. Yeah, it's not right to lead people on. You're tricking them. Yeah, you're putting them in a state of expectation. The recruiter led me on with promises of great jobs, or misleading advertising. It leads you on, or it gets you to believe that this product is going to solve all your problems. Yeah, he led me on with stories of wealth to be gained. Okay, so to try and make somebody believe a lie, to encourage, particularly with the illusion of a romantic relationship. Yeah, men are always leading women on, so I apologize. Let's see, you can also use this verb lead on literally, meaning to lead someone onward. So we arrived in front of the restaurant, and the maître d' came out of the door and led us on to the restaurant. So I'm showing a group of students the university, and I need to stop to talk to somebody. So I say to my friend, would you lead them on to the library? Yeah, to take them to a further place. Okay, so to lead somebody on, he's just leading you on. He's tricking you. They're just leading you on. So let's see, notice, to lead, an irregular verb, lead, led. He led her on. He has led me on. Yeah, he's been leading me on. And it's separable, to lead somebody on. So you can put things between the lead and the on. Formality. I think maybe 4.75. Definitely use this in an informal conversation. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but as a phrasal verb in something very formal, no. Let's see. He's been tricking you. He's been giving a false impression. He's misleading you. He's encouraging you with lies. Okay? And then, yeah, to lead. Okay, so you all know this verb, to lead. From an Old English word, lead, which comes from a Proto-Indo-European word, plued, meaning to flow. So to lead, to flow. I can understand the link between these two. So, if you see an advertisement that says using this method you can learn English in 1 week, they are leading you on. Yeah, they're making you believe that this could be true, but it's not. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To lead on, to lead somebody on.